In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove filters on Google Sheets. Filters are great for narrowing down data, but when you're done analyzing, you'll want everything back in full view. I'll walk you through the simplest way to remove filters so all your rows and columns are visible again. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. At the top right of the Google homepage, click the grid-shaped icon. This is the Google Apps Launcher, and it's the quickest way to jump into different Google tools. If you're prompted to sign in, make sure you're using the account that has access to your spreadsheet. From the Apps menu, click on Sheets. This opens the Google Sheets homepage where you can see your recent files. Find and open the spreadsheet you want to work with. If you're collaborating with others, make sure you have editing access, since removing a filter changes the view for anyone using that same basic filter. Once your spreadsheet is open, look at the header row. When a filter is applied, you'll see small filter icons on the column headers. They often look like tiny funnels or drop-down indicators. These icons signal that the content in that column might be narrowed down or sorted through the filter. Move your cursor to the column header that shows a filter icon and right-click directly on that icon. This opens a context menu specifically for that filter. If you don't see the menu, try right-clicking again on the icon itself, not just the cell, or make sure you're on a column that actually has a filter applied. Also, if Remove Filter doesn't appear, it's possible there isn't an active filter on that column, or the sheet may not currently be filtered. In the menu that appears, click Remove Filter. As soon as you do, the filtered view is turned off. You'll notice the filter icons disappear from the headers and all previously hidden rows become visible again. This action doesn't delete any data. It simply restores the full dataset to your screen. If your sheet is shared, remember that removing a basic filter affects the way others see the data too. That's all it takes. You opened Google, used the Apps Launcher to get into Sheets, opened your document, right-clicked the filter icon on a header cell, and selected Remove Filter. With your data back in full view, you can continue working, apply a different filter later if you need to, or leave it unfiltered for a complete picture of your information. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.